Watch this video.
Under the cover of a stormy sky, the battlefield is set. The high-intensity training course stands ahead, an unforgiving arena for the elite. But today, it's not the men we're watching. It's the dogs, the Navy SEAL dogs, ready to prove they are more than just man's best friend. This is their moment. With lightning speed, the German Shepherd charges forward, racing through the first hurdle, muscles rippling beneath its coat. A leap over a barrier showing unmatched agility. Every movement is calculated, every breath focused. They're not just running, they're on a mission. Next, a test of stamina. The water is cold, unforgiving, but this dog doesn't hesitate. Powerful strokes propel it forward, navigating the currents with ease. The storm may roar, but the dog remains calm, cutting through the water like a blade through steel. Through the complex maneuvers, the German Shepherd twists and turns, its body moving like liquid, each move a display of precision and mastery. And as it lands, its trainer nods in approval, a silent acknowledgement of the relentless training. The bond of trust forged in fire. After hours of grueling exercises, the moment of truth arrives. The dogs sit in formation, alert, eyes sharp. They're ready. No hesitation, no fear. Each one trained for the mission ahead. It's not just a team, it's a force of nature, waiting for the signal to deploy. As the helicopter blades cut through the stormy air, the dogs remain poised, focused. Their mission is clear. As the SEAL emblem fades into view, the world knows. These dogs are more than just soldiers. They are warriors, ready to face whatever comes their way.
Unlock the power of cinematic AI and turn your creativity into cash. In this video, discover how to create stunning viral cinematic videos using Minimax Hailuo AI and learn the secrets to monetizing your content like a pro. As observed, this video has garnered approximately 8.7 million views, followed by another with 18.6 million views. By clicking on this account, we notice that many of the videos here are attracting views in the 6-figure and even 7-figure range. Another important point to mention is that if we examine these videos closely, we see that each one is exactly 1 minute long, or slightly over, indicating that this account is benefiting from the TikTok Creator Rewards program for monetization. I've noticed that on TikTok, there are very few videos in this niche, which means the competition is quite low. I also checked YouTube, and again, there are very few videos in this category. However, they're not up to the mark yet. If we add a cinematic touch to our videos, they have the potential to go viral. Additionally, YouTube introduced a new policy on October 15th, allowing creators to upload shorts up to 3 minutes long. This change applies to videos with a square or taller aspect ratio. Clearly, these creators are using high-quality tools and employing some effective strategies. By using the same strategies, we can create high-quality videos but with free tools. Here's your very first pro tip: start by targeting a unique concept,
like a humanoid dog army set in the context of World War I or II.
First, copy the prompt provided below and paste it into ChatGPT. I'll be posting this prompt in the comments section. This is the prompt I will use to get the best title suggestions for my channel. ChatGPT will analyze all the videos on the channel and give me a list of titles based on the number I specify, such as 50 or 100 titles. For example, if I am targeting dogs as my niche, I will ask ChatGPT to only generate titles that are related to dogs. Next, copy the information from the top to the bottom of the channel, or simply copy the details of the specific videos you want to target. After that, paste the prompt I've given and hit enter. Then, watch the magic happen. ChatGPT will provide us with the top 3 most viewed videos from the channel. For each of these videos, we will gather key details such as the duration, total views, video structure including format like intro, main content, and call to action, keywords used for SEO, the main topic focus of the video, and how well it aligns with current trending combinations. After analyzing these details, ChatGPT will also give us a list of 100 dog-related video titles that are suitable for our niche. With this information in hand, I can go even deeper into this specific niche and further refine my content strategy. By asking ChatGPT more targeted questions, I can ensure that my videos are precisely tailored to meet the interests and needs of my audience. If you are human and had to choose, what would pick 15 titles from the 100 suggested by ChatGPT that are most compelling and likely to attract attention? Once these 15 titles are provided, we can focus on one and start working on it, which greatly increases our chances of going viral. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll select one title from the 15, and the title I've chosen is Navy SEAL Dogs Training for High-Intensity Missions. With this engaging topic, we can create a video that not only captivates the audience, but also stands a strong chance of gaining traction. Next, I want to create a story based on the chosen title, Navy SEAL Dogs Training for High-Intensity Missions. To do this, I'll copy and paste another prompt and ask ChatGPT craft a story with scene-by-scene narration. The story should be between 200 to 250 words with a compelling narrative flow. I'll specify that the voiceover narration should have a dramatic or conversational tone, depending on the style I want to achieve. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT will provide me with a storytelling script ready to be used for the voiceover. The next part is crucial because we'll be creating images that illustrate the scenes from the story. If we simply create standard images, we'll get standard results. However, we need to generate humanoid dog images where the head is a dog, but the body and other features resemble human characteristics. To achieve this, I will take a screenshot of the concept and save it to my device. Then, I will open a new page in ChatGPT, upload the image, and write the following: "This is a humanoid military dog force, so please define and give me a prompt for image generation." Once ChatGPT provides the image prompt, I will include it in my own prompt to ensure a consistent character design for the images throughout the video. I ask ChatGPT, now write image prompts of each scene. Prompts on each type of Navy SEAL Dogs Training for High-Intensity Missions AI movies. I want a movie scene to generate images. I want the same high realistic result, to show realistic humanoid dogs, and should be very realistic. A humanoid military dog force. Each soldier has the body of a human but the head of a fierce, intelligent dog, e.g., a German Shepherd. The soldiers wear detailed, futuristic tactical military gear, including helmets, body armor, and utility belts, and are armed with advanced rifles. The setting is dramatic and realistic, with a moody atmosphere, showcasing their power and determination. The colors are predominantly muted greens, browns, and grays, with subtle orange highlights on the equipment. Read the whole story and their scenes, and keep the same consistent character generation of the dogs like the German Shepherd. Consider the consistent character in all image prompts. ChatGPT has now provided us with image prompts for each scene. Next, I will ask, now please give me the narration for all the scenes after I hit enter below. I just need the narration, not the details or title. This way, I can collect the entire narration for the voiceover. For creating the voiceover, I plan to use a free method that I have already shared in my previous videos. You can watch the video titled Create AI Movies Like a Pro with Consistent Characters Free AI Tools 2025 edition to learn how to generate free voiceovers using play.ht. After signing up on play.ht, I directly choose a voiceover artist and paste the entire story. Then, I hit generate to create the voiceover. Now for generating the images, I'll use the free method via Piclumen. I select the flux model, set the desired aspect ratio, and configure the number of images I want to generate. After that, I copy and paste our first prompt into Piclumen and hit generate. Piclumen will provide us with 4 images. I choose the best ones and save them in a folder on my device. This process is repeated for each scene in the story, and I save all the images to my device. Now that our voiceover and images are ready, the next step is to animate the images and bring them to life. For this, I use Minimax Hailuo AI. After signing up, I go to the image to video section. I upload the first image, and there's no need to add any specific prompt for the video, as Minimax automatically analyzes the image and provides the best output. However, if I want to add a prompt, I can simply type something like firing on the battlefield or marching on the battlefield, and then hit enter to generate the animation. Now that the videos and voiceover are ready, the next step is to edit them. For this, I choose a user-friendly video editor called CapCut. First, I upload both the videos and the voiceover. I drag the voiceover onto the timeline first. To save time, I also drag all the video clips onto the timeline. Here's a pro tip: always drop the best video clips at the start to grab the viewer's attention. After that, I adjust and cut the video clips according to the flow of the voiceover to ensure everything syncs perfectly. Next, I add transitions between each image. For this, I use the simple then and now transition in CapCut for all the images. My suggestion is to avoid adding too many effects at this stage to keep it clean and focused. Now, we move to the crucial part, adding sound effects. I go to Pixabay and search for 50 cal rifle shot. I listen to a few options and download the ones that fit the scene. Then, I search for helicopter sound effects and download those as well. Afterward, I upload or drag all the sound effects directly onto the audio timeline in CapCut. I carefully watch the video and place the sound effects where they align with the actions in the video. This step is repeated for all videos to ensure the sound complements the visuals perfectly. To hide the watermark, I add a sticker and edit it to display the name of the video. Before rendering the final video, I make sure to add a caption to it. Once the caption is set, I click on the export button to render the file. After the video is rendered, I watch the final result to ensure everything looks and sounds as intended.
Under the cover of a stormy sky, the battlefield is set. The high-intensity training course stands ahead, an unforgiving arena for the elite. But today, it's not the men we're watching. It's the dogs, the Navy SEAL dogs, ready to prove they are more than just man's best friend. This is their moment. With lightning speed, the German Shepherd charges forward, racing through the first hurdle, muscles rippling beneath its coat. A leap over a barrier showing unmatched agility. Every movement is calculated, every breath focused. They're not just running, they're on a mission. Next, a test of stamina. The water is cold, unforgiving, but this dog doesn't hesitate. Powerful strokes propel it forward, navigating the currents with ease. The storm may roar, but the dog remains calm, cutting through the water like a blade through steel. Through the complex maneuvers, the German Shepherd twists and turns, its body moving like liquid, each move a display of precision and mastery. And as it lands, its trainer nods in approval, a silent acknowledgement of the relentless training. The bond of trust forged in fire. After hours of grueling exercises, the moment of truth arrives. The dogs sit in formation, alert, eyes sharp. They're ready. No hesitation, no fear. Each one trained for the mission ahead. It's not just a team, it's a force of nature, waiting for the signal to deploy. As the helicopter blades cut through the stormy air, the dogs remain poised, focused. Their mission is clear. As the SEAL emblem fades into view, the world knows. These dogs are more than just soldiers. They are warriors.
I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. By the way, I noticed in my analysis of Learnify AI that 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to stay updated on all our future content. Your support really helps the channel grow. If you're curious about I tested Minimax AI other top tools, here's what's best for Movie Lovers 2025 edition. Click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore create AI movies like a pro with consistent characters, free AI tools 2025 edition, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.